Hi, this is Darrell with Twin Falls Volkswagen. Here's something I don't see every day, a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. This has the ZL1 package. Beautiful car. Love the gray. And just so you know, this entire front portion, all your bumper all the way up, all of this here, your hood, bumper like I said, everything covered with a clear bra. Completely protects the front end. That's nice to have it that way. Just walk around the outside of it real quick. Looking for any dings or damage. Yep, that's got into the clear bra, the coating. It's on the back of the mirror caps. You can see the line right here, ends right here. Windows are tinted. Alloy wheels. Just gonna look at this front tire. How does that look? Oh, good tread on the tires. That's nice. They're almost new. They still got the little nubbies. The car only has 59,000 miles on it. ZL1 plate. Rear parking sensors, dual exhaust. You can see the ZL1 over here looks a little better than it did on the other side. Well, it's a good looking car. Let's look at the rest of the car. So looking under the hood here, Supercharged LSA engine, rotofab, intake filter. I put some custom parts on it. Stands to reason. Sounds good though. Let's look inside. Standing here looking at the driver's side. We have our trunk release there, Boston premium audio system, power windows and locks, mirrors, all that, heated mirrors. It's got the leather trimmed and cloth seats with leather trim, power driver's seat. Let's sit inside. Well, I'm sitting inside here and we have 59,273 miles on it. Automatic headlights, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, menu connection right there. Okay. Performance menu, I got it all. Anything I want to play with, pretty much. We do have a heads up display. You might see that little bit of blue there in the windshield. You might not. This is something. Oh, I have no idea. That's something aftermarket, and I'm not going to try to figure it out. Sorry. AM, FM, looks like XM and CD player. Yep, it's got an AM, FM, XM radio. Dual climate control for driver, front passenger. No, this is just driver, just one singular control. I'll get it right. Sorry. Dual heated seats. That's what I'm looking at. Then we have our gauges down here. Touring mode, sport mode, stability, programming, power port, 6-speed manual transmission, cup holders. Car looks really good. It's got a sunroof. You have your interior light controls here. It's kind of worn. I think that's for your sunroof. Then you have your OnStar. Boy, that guy's got a face for radio. I tell you, maybe a paper bag. I don't know who that old man is in that deal. This is a nice looking car. Wonder what she sounds like. Let's open up this door. Give it a little bit of fuel. Oh yeah, that sounds good. plenty of space in there. I mean, my golf clubs wouldn't fit, but hey, I wouldn't be driving it to a golf game, I don't think. You hear that exhaust again. Here at the passenger side, just taking a look at these back seats back here. There's no room for people. Sorry about that, but that's how they build them. You do have your power passenger seat, carpet floor mats, and an owner's manual. This 6.2 liter V8 supercharged engine is quite an engine, I tell you.